Your AirPods can connect to your smart TV just like a Bluetooth speaker, but the right setting can be a little hard to find. In this video, I will show you how to connect your AirPods to a smart TV using Bluetooth. I'll also show you what to do if your AirPods do not show up, fail to pair, connect but give no sound, have very low volume, or keep disconnecting. The menu names may look a little different depending on your TV brand, but the basic process is almost the same. So keep your AirPods, charging case, and TV remote ready, and let's start with the first step. Before connecting the AirPods, first check if your smart TV supports Bluetooth audio. Open the TV settings and go to the sound section. Here, look for options like sound output, Bluetooth speaker list, Bluetooth devices, wireless speaker, or remotes and accessories. If you can see any Bluetooth audio option, that means you can continue with the next step. But if you do not see any Bluetooth audio option anywhere, then your TV may not support direct Bluetooth headphone audio from its built-in settings. Now open the Bluetooth audio menu on your TV. If you're using a Samsung TV, go to Settings, then Sound Output, and choose Bluetooth speaker list. If you're using an LG TV, go to Settings, then Sound Out, then use Wireless Speaker and choose Bluetooth devices or connectable devices. If you're using a Sony TV or Google TV, go to Settings, then Remotes and Accessories or Bluetooth Settings, and choose Pair Accessory or Add Device. The names can be a little different, but you're basically looking for the Bluetooth audio pairing menu. Next, put your AirPods into pairing mode, put both AirPods inside the charging case, and keep the lid open. On most AirPods models, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case. Keep holding it until the light starts flashing white. Do not try to connect while the light is green, amber, or solid, because the AirPods need to be in white, flashing pairing mode. If you have a newer AirPods case that does not use the back button method, open the case and use the front case pairing gesture until the light flashes white. Now select your AirPods on the TV, look at the Bluetooth device list on your smart TV, and wait for the AirPods name to appear. Once you see the AirPods name, select it, then choose Pair and Connect. After the TV says connected, close the menu and test the sound by playing something on YouTube, Netflix, or any TV app. If your AirPods do not appear in the Bluetooth list, keep the AirPods case open and close to the TV. Make sure the light is still flashing white. If your TV shows refresh, scan, or search again, select that option and let the TV search again. Also make sure your AirPods are charged. If they still do not show, turn off Bluetooth on nearby phones, tablets, or laptops for a moment because the AirPods may be trying to connect to another device. After that, restart the TV and try the pairing process again. If your AirPods appear on the TV but pairing fails, remove them from the TV's Bluetooth list if they were already saved before. Put the AirPods back into the case, close the lid for a short time, then open it again and put them back into pairing mode. Now try pairing again from the TV. If it still does not connect, reset the AirPods, then pair them again as a new device. If your AirPods connect but there is no sound, go back to sound output on the TV and make sure the AirPods are selected as the active audio output. The TV may show the AirPods as connected, but the sound may still be going to the TV speaker or a sound bar. In that case, switch the output to TV speaker, then switch it back to AirPods. Also disconnect other Bluetooth speakers or sound bars for testing. If only one app has no sound, test another app like YouTube, Netflix, or Live TV. If the volume is too low, keep the AirPods connected and use the TV remote to raise the volume. If the volume still feels too low, put the AirPods back into the case, take them out again, and reconnect them. If the problem continues, forget the AirPods from the TV and pair them again. As a final fix, reset the AirPods and connect them again from the beginning. If the sound cuts out or the AirPods keep disconnecting, keep the AirPods close to the TV and avoid sitting too far away. Turn off or move away extra Bluetooth devices if possible. If the sound disappears after pausing a video, changing apps, or switching sources, go to sound output, switch from AirPods to TV speaker, then switch back to AirPods. If needed, restart the TV and reconnect the AirPods. For the final check, make sure your TV software is updated from the TV settings. After updating, try pairing the AirPods again. But if the Bluetooth audio option is missing completely from your TV settings, then this direct method will not work through the TV's built-in Bluetooth menu. That's it for this video on how to connect AirPods to a smart TV using Bluetooth. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you pair your AirPods, fix connection problems, and get the sound working properly on your TV. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did this method work for you? Let me know in the comments below with your TV brand and the issue you faced. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.